What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rich Wayne, and we back at it again. I know it's been a minute. I've been busy building my empire. But anyways, in this video, I want to talk about how to make $100,000 guaranteed. I'm gonna get straight to it. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, drop the comment, do what you want to do. But right now, everybody know it's tight out here. People don't have money. The economy is kind of like doing bad, whatever you want to call it. But you still can make money out here. I tell people, focus on the customers that have money. That's why everybody know, if you follow me in the past or you've seen one of my videos, I own dump trucks. I own dump trucks because it's kind of recession proof, because no matter what, it's going to be construction going on and new infrastructure, new building, new apartment buildings, new all real estate, all type of stuff. And they need dump trucks to haul this material. So you can use these dump trucks to make $100,000 a year, really more than that. I said minimum $100,000 a year, depending on which area you in. Certain areas you can make $150,000, $200,000 with just one dump truck if you got the right resources. But let me tell you how to do that. First, you want to get your credit decent. Everybody knows you can use some type of credit repair software, or you can do it my way, so the credit bureaus remove your negative items off. And you add these credit builders on your account, the kickoffs, or you can go directly to the credit unions or the secure loans, whichever way you want to add positive accounts on your credit report so you can build it up and get over 680. But you got to remove the negative items. You can sue the credit bureaus doing that. Section 682 S2B, that's the law to use to remove the negative items. Then you can turn around, like I say, add the positive stuff on there. That's the Kickoffs, the Me Avas, the Credit Strongs, the Self Lenders, but pick 3 to 5 of those accounts, right? And as you're removing the negative items, pick 3 to 5 of those accounts so you can build up your payment history, right? So after you got a decent credit score, you want to partner with a credit union that does business equipment loans. And if you partner with a credit union like Digital Federal Credit Union, East Rise Credit Union, you can Google credit unions in your area that do equipment loans, right? And then after your score get a decent profile, get decent, you can go to one of these credit unions, right, and get approved for equipment loan. And they'll finance up to 100% of this equipment loan. You can go to Iron Planet and buy you a dump truck, or just Google dump trucks for sale and buy at least a dump truck for $25,000, $30,000 and get the credit union to pay for that. And then you can go right on Google again and Google asphalts and concrete companies in my area. And you can call these different companies. I guarantee you call 50 companies, 5 to 10 of them gonna offer you work, but all you got is one truck anyway. But that's how you get work for a truck. You wanna get on Google, you wanna call these different asphalt concrete companies. There's more different companies like excavating companies, dirt companies, gravel companies. But you wanna call these companies. If I work, you ain't gotta do the fancy stuff, get a logo and all that stuff. Or you will need a corporation and an EIN number, but you know how to do that. Come to me and get that done. Don't go to LegalZoom no more. Come to me and get that done. I get that together because I know how to structure a dump truck company or just a trucking company, so you can get the right insurance. It's going to be different. It's not that over the road all that box truck stuff got oversaturated. You still can make money in it, but you got to be very specific on how you get your customers. That's why I like the dump truck business, because you got to get out there and do the work. Ain't no just getting on a load board think you about to get a load. You got to call these different companies, make sure you got the right insurance, and then you can haul for them. And you already know you can get a driver off Indeed or Career Builder, one of these little these job application websites. But anyways, before you think about hiring a driver, you gotta have yourself in position. So make sure you got your own money coming in or some type of hustle income for you to try this, because it's not gonna work, because it's little expenses that come with starting a business that you need money for. You can't just get one dump truck all the day you about to get in there. Unless you're driving it yourself, then you can go work for somebody else and make a few dollars and then get to it. But anyways, the main story is partner with that credit union to get your credit report right. I got multiple videos on how to get your credit report right, so I don't gotta get deep into that. The main thing is getting the right dump truck. Get you a triaxle dump truck, either a Mack or a Ford. Don't get all these off-brand dump trucks, and don't get one too old beat up. Make sure you get to a decent one for like $25,000, $30,000. Bam. Then you can go to Progressive, or I would find an insurance agent and try to find the cheapest insurance I can get in my area. You can Google insurance agents right on Google, find a different agency and tell them you're trying to do hauling for a concrete and an asphalt company. But first you gotta talk to that company and get to work, and they're gonna tell you what type of insurance you need before you even go buy that policy. Before you even get the truck or the insurance, while you build your credit, whatever, be calling these companies and find work. And once you build a relationship and find the right work, then you ask them, what type of truck you think I could get to make the most money with your company? They gonna tell you if it's a good company that really wants you to work. Bam, you go get that truck. Like I said, you can go to Iron Planet or different auctions. I prefer an auction to go buy a dump truck, a good one for about 25, 30,000. That's why you want to get the check from the credit union so you can go cash out. You ain't got to get none of these bad financing deals. Because when you get it from the credit union, 30,000 be 700, 800 a month versus going to them, you pay 12, 1,300 a month. So you want to do that. So you want to get the money directly from the credit union. After you get that, you buy your dump truck, the right one. Then, like I say, call it, go back to that company that you had worked for, ask them what type of insurance do you need me to get so I can haul and guarantee make money for you. In different areas, these dump trucks pay anywhere between 85 to 150 an hour. So just imagine 100 hours, 10 hours a day. That's 1,000 a day. That's easy 100,000 a year, depending on your season and the area you in. But good thing about dump trucks, you don't gotta sit in one area. If your season gets slow, go put it in another area where there is work. You just gotta learn how to hire drivers and move. But that all comes with the skill and the hustle. But if you get a dump truck, you will get work for it. All you gotta do is put in the hustle, find you the work, and find you a driver. Or if you're not a driver, find you a driver and you're gonna make money. Like I said, simple steps. Credit union first, so you can get a cheap loan, right? After you get approved, you can just get pre-approved for a cheap loan, whatever, after you build your credit rate. Then you wanna call these different companies and see who got to work in your area, who paying the most. After you figure out who got to work, who paying the most, bam, write that down, keep that in your notes, whatever you do, bam. Then you ask them what type of truck you wanna get. Then you go get that truck, then you ask them what type of insurance you get. Then they go tell you what type of insurance you get. Bam, now you can hop in that boy and drive it yourself. If you got a CDLA, or go get one, or I prefer if you don't got one, go hire a driver and tell them like, yo, I got work, I got a truck, I need help, I'm gonna pay you good. This is my first truck. If you work with me, I'll pay you real good. And that first driver can make you or break you, because if it make you, it'll be easy. You not working and you damn that gross 150, 200K a year, so you can take them extras and go, of course, acquire another truck and hire another driver because you know the process. But that's how you can make 100,000 a year off one truck. So when you read the process, you can get 300, 400K a year without a problem at all. So if you want to learn more about that, you can always DM me on Instagram, Rich_Wayne, or turn around and give me an email, gpslending@gmail.com. That email will be in the description. I appreciate y'all. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and comment, because I will be dropping more content. Thank you.